ஸ்பீக்கரும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிருங்க. ஸ்பீக்கரும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிருங்க. ಎರಡು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಮ್ಮ? Hey all, good noon. This is Priya from Vastrabharna, Bangalore. So hope you're all doing good, friends. Hello everyone, good noon. Hi Divi ma'am, welcome to Vastrabharna. So today completely discounted sarees what we kept for discount actually. So those who want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. Hi Purnima ma'am, welcome. So good day to everyone. Thank you Purnima ma'am, thank you so much. So today's show we are completely coming up with exclusive discounted sarees for today's show. So if you wish to place order, take screenshot and you can connect with us on WhatsApp. 30 to 50% off on today's show. Like the MRP will be 1500 and you will get it for 999, and the other MRP will be 1850 to 2000, and those you are getting that for 1250. So we have single piece left out in all the sarees. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So completely discounted sarees for today's show. I just wait for few friends to join. So first, whatever sarees we are showing you, all those are 999 only. Previously it was priced 1500, 1650 like that, and now only 999 plus shipping charges 50 is applicable. So plus 50 rupees shipping charges applicable for discounted sarees. Hi Ramakant ma'am, welcome. Hi Renushri ma'am, I'm doing great. How are you? So welcome to everyone and good day to all. So our Adi Ashada sale is going on in our store. So those who are close by, kindly visit our store. Thank you Renu ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, let me start the show with the first saree is 999. So whatever we are showing you, actual cost is 1500 to 1650. After discount, you'll get the saree for 999. Hi Manju ma'am, welcome. Hi Anita ma'am, welcome. I'm doing great ma'am. How are you? Okay, let me start the show. First saree is designer Georgette saree. So priced at 999 plus 50 rupees shipping charges. So if you want to place order immediately, you can take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. Instant booking is going on. You can take screenshot and you can place order through WhatsApp. We have given everything on the description box. So there will be no damages at all in case if you find any difficulty. If you find any... Hi Shri Divya ma'am, thank you. Hi Anita ma'am, thank you so much. Hi Ruby ma'am, I'm doing great sister. How are you? Okay, let me start the show friends. I don't want to waste the time. So this is a designer Georgette saree. But hi Banu ma'am, welcome. So this is the designer Georgette saree. Yes ma'am, we can customize and give you ma'am. This is a customized gown actually. So we do customization also. You can get customization ma'am. Hi Janaki ma'am. Hi Manju. Yes ma'am, this is new shop. Yes ma'am, this is customized one ma'am. Ramakant ma'am. So this is the first saree actually. So the entire saree has the embroidery. It's a pretty embroidery pattern. on the saree. So this is priced at actual cost is 1650. So after discount you'll get this saree for 999 only, plus shipping charges 50 rupees. Plus shipping charges 50 rupees. If you want to place order, take screenshot. The entire saree is same. It's a beautiful rose embroidery done on the entire saree. This is the royal blue color, and this comes with the raw silk blouse with the satin border for the either side of the saree. Very pretty. So this is 999. So we have this is how the saree looks. It's a free flowy material, 999 only. So I have colors in this. I'll show you. So this is a pastel shade. It's a light pastel shade. If you want to place order, take screenshot. Hi Mamata ma'am, welcome. So this is actually a pastel green. All are embroidery. It's not it's not print. It's completely embroidery. And we have a pure white. So all these are priced at pallu same ma'am. Yes ma'am. Pallu is same. I'll show you. Pallu is same. So priced at 999. So plus shipping 50 rupees extra for whichever place you are. So 50 rupees extra for single, up to 2 sarees 50 rupees, 3 sarees 70 rupees, 4 sarees 80 rupees, and 5 sarees 100 rupees. Yes ma'am, this is a Georgette saree. It will be transparent only. You have to drape it as a pleat ma'am. So this is a Georgette saree. This is the single layer. So you have to drape it as a pleat ma'am. It looks very pretty. So this is a designer Georgette saree with the rose embroidery on the entire saree. So priced at 999 after discount. So previously it was priced at 1650. Now this is on discount. If you want to place order, you can take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. We showed 4 colors on this. Hi Urmila ma'am, welcome. So next this one. So this is actually ikat material. So previously this was priced at 1.5. So previously this was priced at 1.5. So we are just clearing the stock. If you want to place order, take screenshot. This is actually a silk. So either side of the saree you have a contrast border. This is a navy blue color border, and this is how the pallu looks. This is the pallu, comes with the tassels, and this is the blouse. So priced at 999. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. We have few colors left out on this. So we have few colors left out on this. See this one. So the entire saree has got a ikat design actually. So either side of the saree contrast border. Priced at 999. So in this we have orange with blue combination. Orange with blue. We have green. This green and this green is different actually. So green with royal blue. What I am wearing is navy blue, and this is royal blue. So the design is little different from this previous one. This is the ikat design and this is the floral design. So this is priced at same 999 plus shipping charges 50 rupees extra. So we have only 999 and 1250 category for today's show. So this is green with pink combination. If anyone wants to see any particular saree to be open, kindly comment in the comment box. I'll open it for you. So we have store discount as well. You can welcome to our store. Whichever place you are, you can welcome. So we have 2 stores in Bangalore. So this is actually ink blue with the pink combination. So 999 plus 50 rupees extra. So this is a green with navy blue. So this is a green with navy blue. All are very pretty, soft. This is not transparent actually. So this is how the saree looks. So this is not transparent. Either side of the saree you have a contrast border like this. So this is a meenakari work done here. This is how the pallu looks. This is the pallu, comes with the tassels, and this is the blouse. So 999 plus shipping charges 50 rupees. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So next, this is a Georgette saree. So this is a designer Georgette saree with the geometrical lines on the entire saree. So this is blouse is little special in this completely sequence work. So if you want to place order, take screenshot. You can stitch this dress as a gown also. It looks very pretty. So this is how the pallu looks. The pallu has got the beautiful tassels like this. This is a sequence tassels. Very pretty. So this is the blouse fabric. So this is the blouse fabric. So this is priced at 999. Completely sequence work. Very pretty. Georgette saree. Designer Georgette saree. This is how the saree looks. So priced at 999 plus shipping charge will be 50 extra. So this is how the pallu looks. All these are geometrical lines. So the entire saree has got the geometrical lines. This is a black lines over this. So blue, and there is a black line on the entire saree. So the tassels, this is how the tassel looks. Very pretty. And this comes with the sequence blouse. So if you want to make this as a gown also, you can stitch this as a gown. It looks very, very pretty. So this is how the dress looks, priced at 999. Sorry, saree looks priced at 999. We have colors in this. So this is a grayish black. It's an elephant grey color. So the entire saree is same, the geometrical lines running all over the saree. So this is how the tassel looks, beautiful tassels, and the same sequence blouse you will get. I'm just showing you the colors. Chiffon copper brasso sarees are available. Yes ma'am, it's available ma'am, you can book ma'am. So 2 days before also we did one live show actually, so it's moving fast. Will you keep dresses on sale? What kind of dresses ma'am actually? So we have kurtas already. Few kurtas are running for 50% off in our website. So for that you have to use code. New arrivals 20% off is going on ma'am. So this is the green color. It's a kind of Rama green. So we have a olive green. Sorry, mehendi green. Huh? So this is mehendi green. So this is mehendi green. So kurtas we have flat 20% off going on in our website. Automatic discount you will get. What you wear, no, that model. This model, no ma'am actually. So this is a customized one ma'am. This is the customized one. If you want, we can customize and give you according to your size ma'am. So this is the reddish orange color. You can get big brick orange. Brick orange. So all are very pretty, comes with the beautiful tassels and comes with the sequence blouse. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. And we have one more in olive green. So this is the olive green. So these are the colors available, priced at 999, plus shipping charges applicable. So next I'm moving on to the crepe silk. So this is a Mysore crepe silk actually. It's not pure Mysore silk, it's a Mysore crepe silk. So this is pink with navy blue combination. So the cloth is superb, completely a soft material. Either side of the saree you have a contrast zari weaving border like this. So this is how the rich pallu you will get. It's a beautiful rich zari woven pallu and comes with the blouse. This is how the blouse looks, contrast blouse. Priced at 999 plus shipping charge 50 rupees applicable. So all this we kept on discounts. It's a 25% off for all these collections. Previously it was sold out. We sold this for 1295, 1300. So we have kept this on discount. So 999. If you want to place order, take screenshot immediately. You can book. So this is how the pallu looks. It's a zari woven grand pallu and you will get contrast blouse like this. So we have colors. This is the green with the navy blue. This is the green with navy blue. We have a pure milky white with the pink combination. So we have a copper sulphate blue with the royal blue combination. It's a ruby pink. So ruby pink with the navy blue combination. So royal blue with navy blue combination. So all these are available, priced at 999 plus shipping charge will be extra for discounted sarees. So this is how the saree looks, very plain. Entire saree is plain. It gives a very rich look once you drape. So this is how the saree looks, very pretty. So pallu and contrast blouse you will get. So if you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So next I'm moving on to the Banarasi brocade saree actually. So this is the entire saree has got a rich brocade weaving. So this is also priced at 999. So this is also priced at 999. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. Ma 999 alva ma. Okay. So this is a 999. So either side of the saree you have a plain contrast border, very pretty. So this is how the pallu looks. Zari woven pallu, and this is the blouse. It's a golden brocade blouse. 999 plus shipping charge will be extra. 50 rupees extra for one saree. So for 1 or 2 sarees actually, if you are placing order for 370, for 480, for 5 it's 100. So in this we have a grey, completely it's a brocade zari weaving. So we have a grey color and we have a pink color. So these 3 colors are available, priced at 999. So plus 50 rupees extra for shipping. So next I am moving on to this is actually a silk cotton saree. So this is a silk cotton saree. All these are no margin sale. We are just clearing the stocks. So this is a beautiful silk cotton saree. It's a yellow with pink combination. This is how the border looks. On the border you have a pineapple design on the border. Very pretty, yellow with pink combination. So this is a zari woven pallu at the back. So this is a woven butta, the floral butta running all over the saree. So this is the pallu. It's a beautiful pink pallu, and you have a contrast blouse like this. So previously this was priced at 1650, now 999. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. This is how the saree looks. All these are silk cotton saree. So we have in this we have a sky blue with the pink combination. All are zari golden with the pink combination. So we have a golden with the pink combination. So we have a yellow with the blue combination. So this is a yellow with royal blue combination. So this is a yellow with royal blue combination. So this is a grey. So this is how the saree looks. This is a grey with pink combination. So all these are priced at 1 second. Okay, so all these are priced at 999. After discount you are getting this price. So plus shipping charges applicable. 50 rupees extra. Okay, so this is actually a leaf green with a beige combination. All these are superb colors. If you want to place order, take screenshot and you can connect with us on WhatsApp. Very, very pretty saree. So this is actually a leaf green with royal blue. So all the sarees are rich woven butta you will get. So priced at 999. So this is also a Banarasi brocade saree. Comment idರಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್. So this is a navy blue with pink combination. It's very, very pretty saree, soft combination. So this is a rich getty kanchi border. One side you have a tiny border. Yes ma'am, we have a banana print saree ma'am. I'll show you at the end. So one side you have a tiny rich zari woven border. On the other side you have a beautiful this kind of getty zari kanchi border. So this is how the pallu looks. And block madide. So this is the pallu and this is the brocade blouse. So this is priced at, this is how the blouse looks. So this is priced at 999. So we have colors in this. If you want to place order, take screenshot. So this is the exact saree look. Very, very pretty. So this is actually a kind of light green. So this is a leaf green you can give with the contrast pink color blouse. Leaf green with the contrast pink color blouse. So we have a black, yeah. So this is also black with pink color. All these are priced at 999. This is a rich Kanchi Getty border you will get with the peacock motifs on either side of the border. And this is a pastel grey with a light pink combination. So border pallu you will get dark only. Yeah, pallu you will get dark. Contrast blouse also you will get dark. So priced at 999. So plus shipping charges. Okay. So next this is a silver tissue saree. Okay. So next this is a silver tissue saree. So this is a beautiful silver tissue. So completely comes with the rich motifs. So this is a beautiful rich motifs. Completely a silver tissue saree. So this is also priced at 999. So comes with the silver zari border. Very pretty saree. I think you don't be able to see the design. This is how the saree looks. It's a silver tissue. So this is how the pallu looks. Very pretty. So this is the pallu and you will get the same running blouse. Running blouse amma? Illa. Contrast blouse illa. So this is the blouse you will get. So this is priced at 999. So this is priced at 999. This is a silver tissue saree. It's a beautiful silver tissue saree. So we have one more design. This comes with the bigger border. This comes with the bigger border. Closer look of the saree. So this comes with the bigger border. So all these are priced at 999. This is a golden tissue with the minakari buttas on the entire saree. It's a golden tissue saree priced at 999. And we have a same polka dots on the entire saree with the golden polka dots. So this is how the pallu border looks. It's a very rich big border. So this is all these are golden tissue, silver tissue. We both have. So priced at 999. If you want to place order, 1250. Okay. So this is the only one saree we have in this. So this is priced at actual cost is 15 and we are giving this for discount for 999. If you want to place order, take screenshot. So the entire saree has got the beautiful sequence work with the multiple colors on the entire saree. So this comes with the digital printed blouse like this. So this comes with the digital printed blouse priced at 999. The banana pit saree matra kelta idare. Ide eshtu? 999. Okay. So this is the. So we have two colors left out on this in 999. So all these are beautiful Chanderi silk cotton. All these are beautiful. Illa idbadi. Nan nodutara. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ comments ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಡಿ. So this is a beautiful Chanderi silk cotton saree with the rich motifs with the silver thread weaving. All these are silver thread weaving. So one side So one side you have a tiny border. On the other side this is a rich bigger border. Very very pretty soft saree. So this is a Chanderi cotton saree. Comes with the rich butta on the entire saree. So this is priced at 999. Pallu comes with the tassels and this is the contrast brocade blouse you will get. So 999. We have one more color in this. I'll show you. So this is the yellow with the same blue combination. Yellow with same blue combination. The entire saree comes with a rich butta. So priced at 999. So these two are the last in 999. So next time moving on to the 1250 category. So all these are priced above 1750 and we are just giving this for 1250. If you want to place order, take screenshot and you can connect with us on WhatsApp. So this is actually a Georgette designer saree with this kind of shibori design on the entire saree. So comes with the sequence work. This is how the sequence work look. The entire saree has got the beautiful sequence work. And this is how the pallu looks. It's same. The entire saree is same. Blouse ma. So this is how the blouse looks. It's a contrast raw silk blouse. It's a 1 meter blouse actually. Pretty saree. So 1250 plus shipping charges applicable. 50 rupees shipping charges applicable. This is how the saree looks. We have colors in this. So this is the one color, comes with the contrast blouse. So this is the one color. So all are leaf pattern. So comes with the contrast blouse. And this one. So all are designer Georgette saree. So priced at 1250. So comes with the contrast raw silk blouse, sequence work. The entire saree has got the beautiful sequence work. Same. Okay. So next I'm moving on to the organza saree. So this is a beautiful organza saree with the silver rich motifs on the entire saree, running all over the saree. This is how the saree looks. Very pretty organza saree. So it's a beautiful pretty organza saree. Comes with the contrast blouse contrast border like this. All are silver woven. So this is the beautiful rich pallu. So comes with the tassels and you have a contrast blouse like this. It's a brocade weaving blouse. So priced at 1250 plus shipping charges applicable. For 50 rupees for one single saree, whichever place you are. So if you want to book in multiples also, you can take a screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So this is how the saree looks. Very pretty organza saree. Nice to drape. We have colors in this. So we have a green with pink combination. So this is the closer look of the saree. The organza will be transparent, as you all know. Organza will be transparent. You have to drape it in a pleat. So we have a red with black. So this is a beautiful red with black. And we have a black with pink. So these four colors are available. So this is a beautiful black with pink combination. So very pretty. So priced at 1250 plus shipping charge 50 rupees is applicable. So next I am moving on to the Banarasi saree. All these are not softy Banarasi actually. So pretty collection in Banarasi. You can easily drape it, not stiff. So 80% soft will be there. So this is how the saree looks. Comes with the contrast border. One side you have a golden tissue border kind, and the other side you have a contrast border with the rich peacock motifs. And this is how the pallu looks. This is a beautiful pallu, and this comes with the contrast blouse like this. So all these are rich weaving, contrast weaving blouse. So 1250. So we have colors in this. I'll show you. So we have a pink with green combination on the same design, and we have a royal blue with pink combination. So pink with green and royal blue with the pink. So these are priced at 1250. And we have a black with orange on the same design. Black with orange. The entire saree has got the beautiful meenakari work. So we have a grey. It's a tissue saree. Grey with the pink combination. And we have a bottle green with pink combination. All these are available on discounts 1250. Previously this was priced at 1750 above. So next time moving on to the Kora saree. It's a Kora Banarasi saree. So comes with the rich kanchi border. Previously this was priced at 1650. Now this is priced at 1250. So this is how the saree looks. Either side of the saree you have a contrast border. It's a very pastel shade border. Very pretty. So this is how the border looks. The entire saree has got the beautiful rich weaving. So this is the pallu. And this comes with the blouse, brocade weaving blouse like this. Very pretty soft saree. Easily you can drape. First wash should be separate. So all are 6.30 meters saree. Normal wash at home. So we have colors in this. So this is a leaf green with the pastel border. All these are pastel borders. One more with the dark color, darker shade of the border. We have a royal blue with green, and we have a beautiful mild yellowish green with sea green combination. So all are pretty. So if someone wants to see banana pith saree, I'll show you. So all are priced at 1,250 only. So if you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. Plain with Osima banana. So we have plain as well as printed, ma'am. So plain saree priced at 1,450 now. So this is priced at 1,450, ma'am. So I'll show you. We have multiple colors and designs in this. So this is a banana pith saree made of pure banana fiber. So this is all these are without blouse. All these are without blouse. If you want to place order, take screenshot 1,450. Yes, ma'am. I'll show you. Yellow with the green open madbekku. The yellow with the green kudunga. Banarasi, Kora Banaras. So this is a beautiful saree. So pallu, this doesn't comes with the blouse. So 1,450. So we have two categories, 1,450 and 1,550, 1,750, depend on the design. We have a printed ones also. So I'll show you by Manu ma'am, and this is for you. So this is yellowish green with sea green combination. So this is how the border looks. Pallu. So this is the pallu and this is the blouse. So if you want to place order, kindly connect with us on WhatsApp. So we have banana pith different collections. I'll show you. So we have this color. This is a maroon with navy blue combination. Very pretty actually. So we have a green with black combination. It's a kind of dual shade. Actually it's a rust green you can see. Ma'am, this is priced at 1,450 to 1,750 we have, ma'am. Different categories are available. So this comes with the printed ones. So all these are beautiful printed design. 1,450 starting price, ma'am. So this one we have, this also printed one. All are very pretty. So priced at 1,450 onwards starts. Price starts from 1,450 onwards. And we have this one also. All these are beautiful printed ones in the same banana pith saree. So if you want to place order, kindly take screenshot. We'll send you the images. So these are all the available collections for today's show. So banana pith will be free shipping only. So if you want in discounted sarees, that will be 50 rupees extra. Designer crepe sarees. Ma'am, kindly connect with us on WhatsApp, ma'am. We will send you all the designs. If you go in our website vastraabarna.com, under new arrivals, we have two new arrivals. Both the new arrivals you can check out. We have many. We have uploaded many new arrivals actually. So you can start shopping in our website also. So flat 20% off for new arrivals. So another 15 days it will be flat 20% off only for new arrivals actually. So this is a crepe, designer crepe silk, ma'am. So I'll just show you for one or two piece actually. All these are designer crepe silk, comes with a 3D border. So every week we will be uploading new arrivals actually. So every week we will get new arrivals. We have a designer Georgette saree like this. So it's a beautiful shibori print designer Georgette saree, very pretty. So all these are budgeted range only. You can check out and you can start placing order in our website also. So that's all for today's live show, friends. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you for your support and love. So kindly visit our store. Kindly visit our website if you can't visit our store. So the same discounts and same products will be available. Hi Odina, good noon. So you can start shopping in our website and enjoy shopping with us. If you find any difficulty, kindly connect with us on WhatsApp. That's all for today's live show. Thank you. Have a great week. Have a great day. Thank you. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Bye-bye.